Are you looking for delicious tea and coffee on the go? I recently visited Hiccup's Barista in Garden Grove and everything was so good. This location has a cute inside area where you can order and sit, and it also has a drive-thru. They have so many choices, but I went with the Thai milk tea with boba and the pork banh mi. The tea was so yummy, and the banh mi, it was so good. Can I eat this for lunch every day? Hiccup's has several locations across Southern California. They open early for breakfast and offer a wide variety of coffees, teas, and snacks. You should definitely hit them up next time you're craving some delicious tea or coffee. Cheers!